Today, we're going to be looking at cited reference searching using the Web of Science database, and we're going to take an in-depth look at the database's citation mapping tool. If you would like, you may follow along with us as we explore the Web of Science database and the citation mapping feature. You can do this by either splitting your screen, following the audio prompts from this video, or there is a link to the video script in the description of this video. A citation index is a compilation of all the cited references from journal articles published during a particular year or group of years. When you conduct a cited reference search, you are using a specific article to find other similar articles instead of using a keyword or subject phrase. Think of it almost as viewing items on Amazon and using the products bought after buying this item list instead of returning to the search page to find other items. There are multiple ways you can conduct a cited reference search. For example, when searching in Google Scholar, there is a link underneath each article labeled Cited By, followed by the number of articles that cite the article. But Web of Science is one of the best citation indexes available. The database contains articles from over 4,000 of the top most cited journals available. One of Web of Science's most innovative tools is the citation mapping feature. It is important to note, however, that the citation mapping tool uses Java, which is no longer supported by the Google Chrome browser, so you must use an alternate browser such as Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Also, before starting your search in Web of Science, it will be helpful if you already have an article or a controlled vocabulary term that you can use to begin your search with. For the purposes of this video, we will use the article Social Relationships Between Adult Male and Female Gorillas in the Wild. We will enter our search term in the search box, and I've already done a search, so we'll just select it, and we're going to search under title and click search to look for our article. And it's listed right here. If we click on the title, it would take us to the record for that article. On the right, we see a menu titled Citation Network. The number of times cited will take you to articles that have cited the selected article, while cited references will take you to a list of articles listed in the selected article's bibliography. Click on View Citation Map in order to begin the citation mapping process. First, we have to select which direction we want our citation map to give us. Forward gives us articles that have cited the article, while backward gives us the cited references for the article. Then we need to select how many generations we want our map to show. First generation gives us articles that have either been cited by or cited the selected article, while second generation gives us the articles that have either cited or been cited by the articles from the first generation. However, if you choose an article that has too many citations, it will not load properly, so it is better to view a highly cited article's first generation map only. We're going to select forward only and then one generation, and then click Create Map in order to generate our citation map. It does sometimes take a couple seconds, but then we will see the title of our original record will be listed on top of the page, and it's also going to be found, once this map loads, in the center node of the citation map. And here it is right here. The area on the lower left hand gives us a list of all the articles that have cited this article, while the lower right hand area shows the full record of the selected article or node. You can click and move the map around if you drag it, and you can also select the checkbox in the left hand corner to see which corresponding node is on the map. So for example, if I see this one, we can see that this checkbox or this node is selected, which is the corresponding node for this checkbox. If you hover over a node, it will give you a brief bibliographic summary of the corresponding article. So for example, there we go. And that gives us a brief bibliography for the article. You can use the appearance menu found on the top of the map, right up here, to change the color, text, and order of the nodes. The information will be the clearest if you choose the same field for all three options. For example, if we set all three options to subject category, we can easily see all the different subject categories that have used this article as a reference. Most of the subject areas are expected, such as zoology, veterinary sciences, anthropology, but we can see a couple unexpected ones like neurosciences neurology or women's studies that you just wouldn't expect. You can use the appearance menu to order the notes author, publisher year, journal title, document type, subject category, language, country, or institution. You can save the map as an image by choosing the Save Citation Map from the Manage tab, which is located near the Appearance menu. This saves the map as it appears on the page. This is only one of the many valuable features of the Web of Science database. If you need further assistance, there is a help article located at the top right corner of the screen from the database, right up here, or you can contact your local librarian or information professional. Thank you for taking the time to explore Web of Science's citation map with us.